Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the things that you need to know in Skills Challenge, Slam Dunk competition, and the three-point contest as part of the NBA All-Star Week. If you're new to this channel, consider to subscribe and leave a like to help our channel grow. NBA Skills Challenge, also known as KIA Skills Challenge, is the National Basketball Association contest held on the Saturday before the annual All-Star Game as part of the All-Star Weekend. First held in 2003, it is a competition to test the ball handling, passing, and shooting ability of the participants. Here are the participants for the Skills Challenge. Donovan Mitchell and his teammate Evan Mobley will represent the Team Cavs. Zachary Researcher of the Atlanta Hawks and Alexander Sarr of the Washington Wizards will represent Team Rooks. Chris Paul and Victor Wembanyama of the Team San Antonio Spurs. Draymond Green and Moses Moody will represent the host Golden State Warriors. After that, it will be followed by the Starry three-point contest. The first participant in the three-point contest is Jalen Brunson. He is a 39.7 three-point shooter and has a total of 122 three-point made this season, which ranks 34th in the NBA. The second one is Cade Cunningham from the Detroit Pistons. He is a 35.1 three-point shooter and has made 111 three-point field goal this season. The third participant is Darius Garland. He is a sharpshooter from the Cleveland Cavaliers. This year, he shot a whopping 43.1% from the rainbow category and has made 156 three-pointers this season that ranks 11th in the NBA. The fourth participant is Buddy Hield. He is a 36.3% three-point shooter and had made 139 three-points this season, which ranks 24th in the NBA. The fifth participant is Cameron Johnson. He is a sharpshooter from the Brooklyn Nets and shot 41.3% from threes and had made 121 three-points this season, which ranks 36th in the NBA. Sixth is Tyler Hero from the Miami Heat. He shot 38% from three-point line. He made 189 three-point this season, that is fifth in the NBA. The seventh participant is Norman Powell. He is a two-time three-point champion. He shot 42.8% from the three-point line and had made 151 three-points this season, which ranks 15th in the NBA. The last but not the least is Damian Lillard of the Milwaukee Bucks. Lillard is also a two-time defending three-point champion. This season, he had made 153 three-points on 38.3 shooting. He ranks 14th in the NBA this season. The highlight of the night is the AT&T Slam Dunk Contest. The NBA Slam Dunk Contest, officially known as the AT&T Slam Dunk, is an annual basketball competition held during the NBA All-Star Weekend, where some of the league's most athletic players showcase their best dunking skills. The contest is known for its high-flying acrobatics, creativity, and sometimes even props or special gimmicks to impress the judges and fans. It's one of the most exciting parts of the NBA All-Star Weekend, especially for fans who love high-flying dunks. And here are the participants for the Slam Dunk Contest. The first one is Stephon Cassell from the San Antonio Spurs. He averaged 12.9 points, 3.5 assists, and 2.8 rebounds per game. The second participant is Matas Busilis from the Chicago Bulls with an average of 6.4 points, zero point 0.5 assists, and 2.8 rebounds per game. The third is Andre Jackson Jr. from the Milwaukee Bucks. Jackson averaged 3.9 points per game, 1.5 assists per game, and 3.2 rebounds per game. The last participant is Mac McClung. He is a two-time Slam Dunk champion. He is the winner of the past two Slam Dunk contests in 2023 and 2024. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to help our channel grow. Thank you so much everyone. See you in the next video.